Hey guys! I actually recorded this unboxing of the telescope we got a few months ago, and we were actually supposed to upload this after recording. So I decided to combine the footage that I have from the telescope unboxing with the footage that I just took last night viewing the blood moon. So what do we have?
Well, we have a astronomical telescope.
Uh-huh. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, let's take out all the pieces.
What?
I think that's the tripod.
What?
Go ahead. We'll take it all out.
You know the two eyepieces?
Mm-hmm.
Then next box. Oh, it's the telescope. Ooh. Nice. Oops. Screw.
I will have to figure out some lessons and experiments to do with the telescope. If you have any resources that you do in your homeschool, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you got a chance to see this total eclipse, let me know also. Are you a DJ now? Go ahead. Scratch, scratch. So you see it has the months of the year. Why do you think that is?
To show what the time is, I think.
What could be another reason?
What month it is?
Yeah, and you know you can also see the weather because we can do like the seasons.
Thanks for watching.